Yeah, I'll lend you some money.
Lend me some money.
Yeah, that's what I said.
I'm not lending any money, mate. I've got no money to fucking borrow to lend, mate.
I've got no money to borrow to lend.
I borrowed too much money, which is the reason why I'm in debt. So,
Well, that's why I told you.
to give it back, mate. I already said that we'll have to do something together after when I've got the money, man. Because I'm in trouble. That's right, mate.
Jesus.
I know.
So I don't know why you didn't say it from day dot, you can't. You said to make us think that you were going to come.
I know, because I wanted to, John. But I can't. I literally can't. That's the fucking thing with the end of it, mate.
Got no bollocks.
Oh, fucking
Money's
arsehole.
a cunt. And
Well, if you knew how to manage money, arsehole, you'd be alright.
say it again.
I said, if you knew how to manage your money, arsehole, instead of taking loans out like your name's fucking Donald Trump. Yeah, if you want to take a loan to actually do something with it, constructive to make your money, yeah, it would be right.
Listen, prickface, it's a certain sign you started to make money, innit?
Eh?
I said it's a sure sign you started to make money, innit?
Yeah, I have.
I'm happy for you, mate.
Yeah, but it's not about me, arsehole. I'm trying to help you out.
I know you are.
Don't worry about me,
You're
you
not gonna help
cunt.
me lending it, throwing it at me. I've got to fucking get out of this, man. I've got to do it. I'm joining Halifax. I'm getting it sorted, so
You're joining Halifax.
I've got to join Halifax. They're taking my overdraft from Santander. They're gonna sort it out.
Yeah, just make sure they don't finger you like the other banks did. That's what these cunts do. They're into fingering.
I know what you mean. But Halifax are good, mate. They're taking me.
Listen, they're all cunts, you cunt. Halifax is probably one of the shittest banks, you cunt. I'm with Halifax.
Mate, I promise you, Santander are the worst bank.
That's my mum's fucking bank. What are you talking about? My job.
Your mum's a nice person, so's Marie.
Yeah. Nah, fucking, you can't. Halifax is the fucking worst, you can't. You put a check in there, it takes like fucking 2 weeks.
You fucking arsehole, I'm Halifax, you prick.
Halifax.
You're a dickhead, who are you with?
Lloyd's TSB, mate.
That's shit, man.
Lloyd's TSB.
You dickhead, Lloyd's
Look at the branch in
TSB.
fucking Leighton.
What about
Look
it?
at the branch in
So?
Leighton. It looks like a branch of a tree.
That's it, they don't want to put one of their banks in there. It's doo-doo-doo around here, man. You can't.
Hey? I'm not talking about Leighton, you fucking two bob nun. Can't you fucking hear me fucking talking? I said Leightonstone, you fucking queer.
You look like a fucking crippled crow sometimes.
Crippled crow, you fucking cunt. Cunt, you look like a fucking paralytic vulture.
Crippled crow, you know.
You look like a bird that look like a tequila bottle sucking on a worm.
You look like a fucking schizophrenic necrophiliac.
Schizophrenia.
In the course of your dreams where you come.
Little fucking pervert.
Yeah.
Don't dream, you cunt. You can't even dream.
Yeah.
Tales of the Queer Boy, part 1. You know how to suck a ball. 2 to be precise. Polish, you know how to teabag, you cunt. You received the teabag. I heard you 6'69", 5-foot Chinaman.
Oh.
I love Chinese pizzas, they're perfect.
I heard you went with fucking Gary Glitter to Vietnam.
Oh, you ain't Gary Glitter. You must have him on your brain all the time.
What are you talking about? You got him on your Twitter account.
I've heard you and fucking Jimmy Tarbuck on your Facebook.
I heard Jimmy Savile was your fucking... was your saviour. When you were down and out. When he put you on his lap and went, don't worry, Eddie. Boy. That's what you do with Dale Winton, don't you? You do play supermarket sweep. Instead you're sitting in his trolley. You know what trolley I'm talking about, don't you? Yeah, I know we know you ain't sweeping supermarket floors either. Sweeping at hay. So you're a different fucking sort of species. You're lucky you're a funny bloke, lad. Otherwise, you're lucky you're a funny bloke, son. You're lucky. Yeah, you're alright, son. You're not bad.
Thanks, John. You don't think you fancy me?
I won't go that far, son.